Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make your mix louder using an easy method. Achieving a professional, loud mix doesn't require complex tools. We'll focus on a straightforward approach that yields great results. First, ensure your individual tracks are not clipping before they hit the master fader. This foundational step prevents distortion and preserves dynamic range. Then, we'll introduce a powerful tool to boost overall volume without sacrificing quality. The key to a loud mix is often a well-placed limiter on your master bus. This essential tool prevents your audio from exceeding a set level, effectively allowing you to increase the overall volume. Start by placing a brick wall limiter as the very last effect in your signal chain. Set its output ceiling to negative 0.3 decibels true peak to avoid intersample peaks. Then, gradually increase the input gain, carefully listening for any pumping or distortion. While increasing loudness, it's crucial to monitor your mix's overall level using a LUFS meter. Aim for a target loudness that suits your genre, perhaps around -6 LUFS for many modern tracks. Be cautious not to overlimit, as this can crush the dynamics and make your mix sound lifeless. A good practice is to /B your mix against professionally mastered reference tracks. This helps you gauge if your loudness and dynamics are competitive and balanced. Before finalizing your mix, listen to it on various playback systems, including headphones, car speakers, and different monitors. This helps reveal any imbalances or issues that might not be apparent on your primary setup. Remember to take short breaks during long mixing sessions. Fresh ears are invaluable for objective listening. For more in-depth learning and other great deals, check the description below. A well-balanced, loud mix will translate beautifully across all listening environments, ensuring your music sounds its best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.